first I was shocked because I think I'm the only Gen Z in the room. But nonetheless, I'm very happy to be here because I'm also a field child. My last name is T, and I do cooking vlogs for fun. As what I've heard, Thermomix sells 30 seconds for 30 seconds right now.
One in every 23 seconds.
So aside from being interested in buying this, I think I'm interested in also investing. I'm a young entrepreneur and a licensed financial advisor of ProLife UK.
Oh,
Shameless plug. Shameless plug. I'm not telling you to buy from me, no worries. There's no forcing here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Rico, you can just press the start cooking.
Okay, I'm quite nervous. This is my first time.
And then you can just put the garlic.
Okay, my
It
honor.
says 4, but you can add more because more garlic for the chili garlic one is good.
Yeah.
And you can
Sir Alice, you can join me here.
Yeah.
I said fine, this is Santa. I'll include this in my food vlog. You can subscribe to my channel. Ate Melody, can you please get the camera? You can video me. Thank you so much. I do Filipino foods and I do singing as well. I'm also a singer.
Oh, nice.
I do a lot of things in life. I do vlogging for fun.
Okay. Now you can press the.
So it's very user friendly. I'd love to do this for Thermomix. Okay, next one.
1 to 2 fresh chilies, but today we will use the dried chili flakes.
Sure.
So you can put 1 or 2 teaspoons of dried chili flakes.
Okay, this one. This is for the teaspoon. It's very good for Thermomix to include this. Is it also included in the package, ma'am?
No.
Oh, I have to buy separately.
Yes.
Thermomix, maybe you should include this next time. Okay.
So you may want to ask the audience how spicy they want.
How spicy do you want, sirs and ma'ams? Do you like it very spicy or just normal? Mild. Okay. Okay. I'll give you. What's your name, ma'am?
Arlene.
Ma'am Arlene. Okay. Pagbibigyan kita, bigyan na lang natin ng half lang. Half. Yan. Ako rin, di ako mahilig masyado sa maanghang eh. But I cook Bicol Express also. You can watch my food vlog. Yeah.
Then you can.
Okay, very user-friendly, no? Hindi na kailangan ituro sa akin ni Miss Susana kasi sabi dito, insert measuring cup. So basically, this is just spoon feeding with Thermomix. So pag kunyari, hindi ko ito nalagay at pinindot ko yung next, it won't happen. Oh, nangyari?
It just goes to the next step.
Okay,
But if
okay.
you turn this knob, it won't start cooking.
Okay, so,
since it has
That's one good thing about Thermomix that I like. Dr. Faith, right? I thought you're a teenager at first. Yung nakatalikod. But, so meaning to say, in Tagalog po, kung tatanga-tanga ka, nalimutan mong takpan, it's not a problem. Kasi si Thermomix, hindi niya hayaan na magluto lang siya. Kasi it might cause fires, diba? Maraming nangyayari dito eh. Just recently, may nasunog. So that's a bad thing to do. So very good for Thermomix. One good thing also, 100,000 pesos, it's a fair amount of price. Okay lang siya. Kasi as a businessman, hindi na yun bad. Ang dami niyang features, right? So it's not a hassle. Okay, ma'am?
And then it says here that for 3 seconds it will chop our garlic.
Okay.
Turn speed selector to 7. But it's only 3 seconds, so it has to be fast. Okay.
Automatic pala. Sorry, noob ako ah.
Ayan. So, after you press next,
Okay. Scrape down the sides of the spatula.
but since our audience are new, okay, in the video you can see that it's chopped already.
Oh, there's the camera pala. I should say hi here.
Yeah.
I can
Yeah, you can now press next.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, scrape down sides.
Sure. My honor? Okay. I'll do it properly para hindi ako mapahiya sa inyo. So as you can see, sirs and ma'ams, I'm quite meticulous. Kasi pag nagluluto, dapat may specific measurements yan eh. Papangit kasi yung lasa, Dr. Faith, no? Papangit yung lasa ng pagkain pag hindi sakto yung measurements. So ako, very meticulous talaga ako pag nagluluto.
Okay, first, since nag-rename down here, tomato and pumpkin soup. Okay, when I open this, it has to be quick. and away from my face. Kundi, magkaroon ako ng free facial. Okay? And to avoid dropping yung water dun sa mantong natin. Okay, and make sure there's no young kids or pets in front of us. Yan. So,
What are you doing now?
So as you can see, di na ako tinuruan ni Susana, di ba? Kasi user-friendly talaga si Thermomix. Eh no, as you can see, 58 grams, sumobra lang ng konti, but that won't be bad. For fun fact, olive oil is, as they say, healthy siya. Pero once it is saturated, hindi na po siya healthy. Kaya ang ginagamit ko po pag nagluluto, henceforth, yung coconut oil. Just for fun fact lang. We use coconut oil. Kasi once the oil is saturated for the olive oil, it's no longer healthy because it's a saturated fat. Just for fun fact. It's not rocket science, but I think everyone should know it. Okay, add 1 out of 1/4 tablespoon of salt.
Teaspoon.
Okay. Teaspoon pala. Thank you for assisting me. Miss Jenny, right?
Yes.
Oh, Miss Jenny.
Kasama ako sa vlog.
Sure. Let's welcome Miss Jenny.
Hello!
I thought she's mga mid-30s.
Yes.
Oh.
You want?
Okay. Okay. Next. 1/2 sweet paprika. Okay. This is a good thing about I'm not promoting this product, pero walang nakalagay na okay, yun yung maganda. Kasi pag na-vlog, medyo masama yung loob ko. Kasi may pangalan yung mga ginagamit kong ingredients, hindi naman nila ako pinayaan. What's your name, sir?
Mark.
Sir Mark. Nice to meet you, Sir Mark. Ang ganda nung parang tindigan mo. May nakikita akong businessman. Parang may kawig ka na businessman pag nakatalipon siya. Yeah, a financial advisor also. I will not mention the name na lang. Okay, place a slimmering basket.
Yes.
What's that, ma'am?
So,
This one?
Yes, that one. But we have to put it on top of the lid.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll place it.
Sorry.
Remove the measure cup.
At least, Sir Sen of Thermomix, next time, lagyan nyo na ng pangalan ng lid, ha? Kasi sabi nila, so next time, pakilagyan din po ng place lid also. Kasi dapat specific yung instructions eh. Kasi pag patanga-tanga pa naman yung nagluluto, ano mangyayari? Di ba sayang yung pagkain? So place lid, okay. This way na.
Slimming basket. And then press next. And then you turn until speed 1.
Okay. I'm so excited. Oh.
Good.
So what is this part doing, sir?
Sorry.
Sauteing your garlic or chili in oil.
Oh, that's good. Hindi ko na kailangan trabahuin. Kasi masyadong makaba yung tasking pag naggagayat pa. It takes me longer than the cooking itself. Kasi po, pag nagluluto, matagal talaga yung nag-chop-chop. Hindi naman kasi ako hindi naman ako chef. I'm aspiring to be a chef also. But I have a lot of things in my plate. A lot of things, so wala pa akong time doon. So, I think itong si Thermomix, makakatulong to for me to save time. As they say, as a businessman, the most valuable asset is not money, but time. Kasi once the time is gone, it's lost forever. Okay. Okay, so while waiting, okay na ba kumain po ako? Can you give me one? As they say in Chinese, to see is to believe. And for me, to taste is to believe.
Okay.
Tikman natin kung masarap. This is a mango, right, Miss Jen?
Yes.
Malambot po siya. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Pero machine nyo na, given na machine nyo nagluto, hindi tao. That's a good thing. Okay siya. I suggest this.
Okay, thank you, Rico. You can press next now.
Raw king prawns. Oh, this one. Okay. Although common sense siya, kasi ibang tao, kulang sa reading comprehension, especially in the Philippines. Anong sabi sa statistics? Pinakamababa yung Philippines. So ako, as a businessman, I will not invest sa Thermomix Philippines. Kasi kulang sa reading comprehension yung mga tao. I'm not being judgmental. That's what the statistics says. So I think maybe we should add more detail. I-remove mo na yung lid, tapos lagyan mo.
Okay.
I hope the editors will take note of that,
Yeah.
Miss Jen.
We have our recipe developer here.
Oh, Sir JM. Is it Sir JM? Oh, ma'am, hi.
Lucy.
What's your name? Oh, Miss Lucy, hi. You look beautiful also.
Thank you.
Siguro nag-google ka ka, ma'am.
Hindi, naiwan lang kasi sa kusina.
Wow, that's great. Take note na lang po natin. Ako kasi I do correct it. I do correcting when there's something wrong. For improvement. I'm not, hindi ako shabby. I'm generous with giving opinions because I know that it will help the business people. Kasi what you give, you cannot give what you do not have. So yun, ako Christian din ako. So it's more blessed to give than to receive. So when we help people, we help them grow. So maganda yan. It's a good thing about business.
Thank you, Rico, for that. And this is the splash guard. It comes with your unit as well. So when
Rico?
cooking with high temp, you use this
Merong
splash
instruction here
guard.
naman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
It
at
says
least
put the-
bumabawi siya kahit may offense kanina.
Yeah.
Place splash guard. Okay. Kasi kasama naman po siya sa, di ba?
Yes.
Do you also have
It has a manual.
an online manual, digital manual?
Yes.
Yes, we do. It's the cookie do. It's an online coco.
As a businessman, magandang yun, sustainable business eh. Monthly, di ba? Weekly. Oh, that's a good business. I like that.
Okay, just press next.
Okay? Oh, where's
Done,
next?
done.
Oh, done.
Done. And then you turn the speed selector.
Sure?
Yes.
Yun lang. Okay. For the... 3 minutes pa pala.
For yeah.
So this dish cooked in 5 minutes. 1 minute to saute, 4 minutes to cook the prawns, we have gambas na in 5 minutes.
Ferraris, as of this moment, how many minutes is the video? 14 minutes. So, ganun lang kabilis. First time ko lang paggamitin si Thermomix. Ako, based on my experience, pag nagka-chop pa, kasi di naman ako pro eh. I'm not a noob, I'm not a pro. It takes time. Less than an hour. So, with the use of Thermomix, kung masanay man ako gamitin ito, it might take just less than 10 minutes to use this. So, this will save your time.
Okay, thank you, Rico. So while cooking the gambas or the prawns, we have here the boiled pumpkin with carrots and onions. So can you see?
Thank you for having me, Ms. Susan.
Thank you, Rico.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you for that.
It's good.
But since no preservative, because it's time. Is it because it's time?
This is very expensive.
Expensive. Yeah, but food enriched with vitamins also. So today we will show you